In this video, we will be covering the search by vehicle function within FirstechData. Using the drop-down menu, we are going to select the Dodge Challenger 2015. In the new Phase 3 version of this site, we have actually changed around the drop-down organization to make it so that the navigation is faster and easier to be able to search. The same navigation tabs being used in Phase 2 are still present on Phase 3. Within the install type dropdown, we've added 2 new sections and also changed the terminology to be more forward-facing. Next below is our notes section. These notes are dependent on the install type that you select. If it is the CM7 series brain with a Blade AL, it will give you all the information that you need to know for the Blade install, including a link to the install guide for the firmware displayed. We've added in a quick picture reference to show you which vehicle you have selected. As we scroll down the page, we've added another couple key features to the wiring chart. One being a like and dislike functionality to each wire. This will allow the users to grade the quality of the information being provided. If the user thumbs up the information, the rating goes up. If the user thumbs down the information, a window prompts the user to correct the misinformation. Wiring is displayed based off of the install type and walks through several different functions on the page. We show what the wire functionality is, the color of the wire inside the vehicle, followed by the color of the corresponding wire on the brain or blade install. Next is the location of where to find the wire in the car, followed by which connector and which pin it should be in. Last is polarity. This should indicate what to measure on the wire to be able to identify the wire better. If there's terminology you do not understand, click on the actual polarity. A pop-up window will show the most common terminology. If something is outside the scope, simply click on the link at the bottom, which will open our full glossary. Something else to keep in mind. Under the CM7 series / ADS color column, inside the brackets should indicate where the wire is found on which connector on the brain. If it is labeled as CN1, CN2, CN3, so on and so forth, that will be off of the actual CompuStar brain. If it is labeled as ADS, it is only on the blade harness. This should make a quick reference to see which wires to use off of which connectors. All these wires can be printed off by clicking the Print Wire function. This will be specific to the install type. One of the biggest improvements that we're adding on to FirstechData is a comment section. Now users have the ability to comment on a specific vehicle to be able to talk amongst their community to cover any known issues, problems, or concerns. You can post pictures, GIFs, or any sort of documentation that you would want to be able to add. Within the comments, you can like, dislike, report problems, and reply to another person's comment. If you were to mess up or something along those lines, you can actually edit your own comments. Other users cannot touch your comments. When you comment on the actual page, your picture and name will be posted to the site to show the credit of who posted the information. Pictures can be posted to the comment section in various sizes and will be scaled based off of the resolution of your screen. Next, we're covering some of the other options that we have for install type, mainly being vehicle wiring. Previously on our site, we called vehicle wiring as remote start. We feel that this is a little bit more true to what the site is displaying. This is your generic wiring information. When you select the vehicle wiring install type, you will notice that the notes on the page have gone away and only will be pertinent to the actual install type that you've selected. If there are no notes that are known, there will be nothing displayed. Scrolling down, you can see that we have generic wiring information for the vehicle. This is to be able to cover any installs that you may be using outside of the CM7 with the Blade AL, or if you're doing any type of interfacing. When you hit the print wire function on this install type, it will only show what this install type is. The comments, however, will stay the same on all install types for this vehicle. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates on FirstechData.